So our topic is Gauss elimination method. The Gauss elimination method is the direct method for solving system of linear equations. So before understanding the algorithm, we understand the concept of Gauss elimination method. In Gauss elimination method, what we do, suppose we are given three equations as x minus y plus 2z is equals to 3x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 5, 3x minus 4y minus 5z is equals to minus 13. So we have to find the system of linear equations. So what we do in Gauss elimination method, we write the values in the form of matrix. See, I have written the values in the form of matrix. Okay. Then we try to convert this matrix into upper triangular matrix by performing various row or column operations on the matrix. So in this example you can say I have applied various row operations for making upper triangular matrix. I will make 1 and then lower to a 0, then this a 0, and finally when I have converted it into upper triangular matrix, now our equation as x minus y plus 2z equals to 3, 3x plus z is equals to 2 minus 3 2z is 64, and by using these values we can easily calculate x, y, z. So this is all about the concept of Gauss elimination method. Now we are going to understand the algorithm for Gauss elimination method. So first we read the number of unknowns, that is our n. Here unknown mean the order of matrix. Then we read the augmented matrix of n by n plus 1 size. We transfer our matrix into upper triangular matrix by performing various row operations, and we obtain the solution by back substitution method, and we display the result and then stop our program. Now we are going to understand the C program for Gauss elimination method. First we declare standard libraries, then we declare various variables are required. Now I declared a matrix A, which is two-dimensional array, and then I would enter the order of matrix. I enter the value of matrix by using for loop, this for outer for loop and this is inner for loop, and I have entered the values using this statement for a matrix. Then again I have a for loop, this is outer for loop, this is inner for loop, and I have if condition which checks whether I is greater than j or not. Now we calculate C here. What is C here means that C is the row operation performed variable number, variable integer you can say. What is C here is C is this 3. As you can see in row, this is calculated is C. This is C, this is 3 is C, known as C. We calculate C and perform row operations. This is going to be easy when you try to dry run the program. It will easy for you to understand. Okay. Then after calculating C, we run a for loop for k is equals to 1 up to k is less than equals to n plus 1 and k plus plus. So this what is doing, this is the row operation, full row operation, and this C is the integer value as I explained now. Okay, then we calculate x n, then again we have for loop for I is equals to n minus 1 to I is greater than equals to 1 and I minus minus. So this whole is a back substitution method in which we have I x of I is equals to a of I n plus 1, and then we have for loop for j is equals to I plus 1 to j is less than equals to n j plus plus. Then we have inner for loop for x of I is to equals to x of I minus a of I a of j into x of j. This is calculating the value of x, then x value put to calculate in equations to calculate y and z. Okay, then we print the solution for this equation, and we again use for loop, which is I is equals to 1 to I is less than equals to n. We print the result as I and x of I. So this is all about this C program of Gauss elimination method. Now we have given a question that we are given three equations, and we have to find the solution using Gauss elimination method. So we convert these given equations into the form of matrix. So our equations are 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equals to 14, 3x plus 2y plus z is equals to 10, x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 14. So our matrix is converted as this. Then we perform row operation, that is R2 is equals to R2 3R1 minus 2R2, which will convert this value as 0, and another R3 operation, that is R1 minus 2R3, which will convert this 1 into 0. So these two values are converted as 0. Then we perform another row operation, that is R3 is equals to R2 plus 5R3, which will make this minus 1 as 0. This is becomes 0. Then we get these three equations as this, and we calculate x, y and z as our answer.